Doctor, let me ask you a simple question. Have you ever wondered why a patient searches for your clinic on Google, looks at your profile, and then never calls? It happens every single day. And the surprising part is, they may never have rejected your treatment. They simply made a decision before they ever spoke to you. Today, I want to show you how that happens. Imagine this. A patient wakes up with a severe toothache, or maybe a parent is looking for the best dentist for their child. A friend recommends your clinic. Now, what do you think the patient does next? Do they immediately call? Not anymore. They take out their mobile phone, open Google, type your clinic's name, and within the next 60 seconds, they have already started forming an opinion about your practice before they meet you, before they speak to your receptionist. So let's look through the patient's eyes. The patient is silently asking a few questions. Who is this doctor? How experienced are they? Can I trust them? How many Google reviews are there? Is it the location easy to find? Can I call the clinic? Can I send a WhatsApp message? Can I book an appointment easily? Each question takes only a few seconds, but together they create your patient's first impression. And first impressions matter. Over the last few years, I've spoken with many doctors across different specialties. One thing I've noticed is this. Most doctors provide excellent treatment. Their patients trust them. Their clinical skills are outstanding, but when I search for many of these clinics online, the digital presence doesn't reflect the quality of care they actually provide. Sometimes the doctor's profile is incomplete. Sometimes the clinic photos are outdated. Sometimes consultation timings are missing. Sometimes patients have to search different places just to find the basic information. Now, here is something important. Most patients won't call the clinic just to ask these questions. They simply compare another clinic. Not because the doctor is better, but because the other clinic made it easier to understand and trust them. Now I would like you to think about your own clinic. If someone searched your clinic today, would they immediately understand who you are, what treatments you offer, why patients trust you, how experienced you are, how to contact you, how to reach your clinic? If the answer is yes, that's wonderful. You're already creating strong first impression, but your answer not completely. You're certainly not alone. Thousands of excellent doctors face exactly the same challenge. Today, patient journey doesn't begin inside your consultation room. It begins much earlier. It begins on Google. It begins on a smartphone, and it begins with trust. That's exactly why we built StethBook, not as another website, not as another marketing service, but as a digital practice profile built specially for doctors. A single professional place where patients can understand your practice before the visit, your profile, qualifications, experience, clinic information, treatments, Google reviews, photos, videos, location, appointments, everything your patients usually search for, organized in one place, making it easier for patients to understand your practice and easier for them to take the next step. For the next few weeks, I'll be sharing practical ideas that can help doctors strengthen patients' trust and create a better experience before the first appointment. If you'd like to see how a digital practice profile could work for your clinic, I will be happy to give you a short demonstration. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.